Symphonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys another lash tutorial. These are by far one of my favorite new lash extensions. Like, I really loved how they turned out. With regular lash extensions, they could take an hour to 2 hours, even up to 3 hours. And the way that I did them just fit my eye shape so perfectly. I want to thank you guys so much for showing me so much love with my other two lash extension tutorials. I really did not expect those videos to like kind of blow up like that. So if you guys have not seen those yet, I'll just link them down below. If you guys are not hip to doing your own DIY lashes, like, what are you doing? Because they save you so much time and money. They're super easy to do, and you can do any type of style you want. The new eyelash extensions that I am going to be showing you guys are from Calailis, and this is their classic chic lash extensions kit. This is the 56D kit. They also have plenty of other kits that you can choose from, but I thought this kit was super nice because I love the pattern of these lashes. Let's get started with this DIY at home lash extensions tutorial. These are my natural eyelashes. Some of them go straight down, some of them curl a bit. So using this lash kit is going to help enhance my eyes so much. This kit comes with tweezers or a lash applicator, a lash spoolie, which is really important to have, the Calailis lash bond and seal. One side is the bonding side and the other one is the seal side. Of course, the lash clusters. This is the 56D style. There's 7 different styles that you can choose from, and they go from 10 mm through 16 mm. Then lastly, we have the Calailis cluster lash remover, and I will be showing you guys how I remove the lashes as well towards the end of the video. I am going to be curling my lashes first because if I skip this step, it will be a little bit difficult for me to apply the lash cluster, and I do need my lashes lifted up while applying the lashes anyway. We're going to be taking the bonding side and applying it to our natural lash because that's going to help the lash cluster to stick on. If you skip this step or don't apply enough of the bonding glue, then most likely your lashes are not going to last as long. Once you finish applying the bonding glue, then make sure you guys wait 30 seconds before applying any clusters. Next, I'm going in with the 13 mm cluster, and when you grab these, make sure you grab them from the root, not the tip of the cluster, or else you will pull the hair out and like mess up the design. I personally like adding the bonding glue to the lash band because I feel like it makes the lashes more secured onto my natural lashes. By the way, all the products that I'll be using in this video will be listed down below in my description box. Now look at the difference that it already makes with just one lash. Next, we're applying 14 mm to our lashes. The 56D curl lash clusters that I am showing you guys are perfect for a full glam makeup look if you do not want to wear strip lashes or just your everyday lashes. It really depends on your style. Next, we're going in with the 15 mm, and these are the longest ones that we will be putting on. Then we're going back in with 14 mm, and the style that I'm doing is gonna have your eyes look like doll eyes, look very dolly, cute, Barbie like. For the last lash cluster, we're going in with 13 mm. I will talk more about these lash clusters once we get onto the second eye, but look at the difference it makes. Like, I just love how it looks. It looks so, like, it doesn't even look like I did them myself. These look like we professionally got them done, and that's how we want them to look like. Then lastly, we're gonna have to seal the lash, and when we seal them, we cannot seal them all the way up to the tips because if we do that, it's gonna make the lashes look like they're fake and they're plastic. Only seal them halfway up so they can still have that fluttery look to them. Then I'm taking my mini lash curler so my lashes can look more curled up. For some final touches, I am going to be using the spoolie so I can just comb them out. I'm just going to be doing the exact same steps that I did with the first eye. With the quality of these lashes, like first of all, the band on them is super fine. It has a 0.3 mm lash band. They are not too thick, they're not too thin. The quality of them is not cheap whatsoever, but yet they are still very affordable. They have tapered tips so they can look more fluffy and look more realistic. These lashes are waterproof, sweat proof, and they have a strong hold to them. You can reuse them up to 5 to 7 times. They are knot free with a flat base. I personally wouldn't wet them as much even though they are waterproof, because I would really want them to last more than 3 days, maybe up to 5 to 7 days, but they can last a really long time, so make sure you guys take care of them, brush them out, don't add any mascara to them, just pretty much baby them so you can get your money's worth out of them anyway. I absolutely love the way they turned out. Like, they look so natural and beautiful, and they look expensive too. They don't look cheap. We did them at home by ourselves. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I take them off. As you can see, these do not come off easily by just pulling them. They are literally super secured. I'm going to be using the cluster lash remover to remove these lashes, and it's only going to take 30 seconds. They also remove the glue from the lashes, which is super good because I hate when the glue is stuck on my lashes. The remover is colorless and odorless, and most importantly, it does not irritate my eyes. With the lash remover not being so harsh on your natural lashes and the individual lashes, you can definitely reuse these. So it's been a few days and I really want to show you guys these DIY self-adhesive eyelashes from Calailis, and I have 3 different styles that I'm showing you guys here, but I will be showing you guys how I style ZBP10 on my eyes. All of the lashes do come with their own applicator as well. This is beyond easy to do, like it's a no-brainer type of thing with these lashes. So the style that I'm doing is 12-16, 12-16, and 12-16. I know, very simple, and that's the point with these lashes. All you have to do is curl your lashes, and after you're done curling them, make sure when you grab the lashes, grab them in the middle so you do not touch the adhesive part. Then once you apply them to your lashes, starting at the end of your natural lashes, squeeze them together, then the lashes will be applied. You do not have to add any bond or lock on them. You can curl them after you're done so they can have that more lifted look, and just look at that. Like, they look so good. They still look very natural. The band is still flexible. They are still waterproof. These will last you a few days, and when you want to remove them, all you have to do is pull them off lightly and they will leave no residue on your lashes. Let me know if you guys are going to try out these self-adhesive lashes. And this is the final result. Like, oh my gosh, these are so cute and pretty. They just make me look like I have doll eyes. Like, I already have like kind of big eyes in a way, but they just really enhance them. And this is why I love lash extensions or DIY lash extensions, because I'm not gonna spend $200 and wait 3 hours. No, I'm not doing none of that, and I can just simply do this in the comfort of my own home and just save so much money. But what do you guys think about them? I really recommend you guys trying out this kit. Like, these are so cute. Use my discount code because even though these are affordable, we still love saving money regardless, like adding discounts and all of that. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please let me know in the comments. I always reply back to you guys, so make sure you guys comment down below. If you guys love lash tutorials, beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos, any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, then you guys would definitely love it over here. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much. God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.